Ganda, Ma'am Beth, welcome. One more. Ano kayong mapalat ko, guys? Okay, Mari. So, ready na tayo. Pabilisan ng sagot. This is our starting activity today. What is the primary objective of policy planning and review in the school? Policy planning, or PIR, program implementation review. Yes, to enhance the quality of education provided by our implementing school. Okay, who are the top 5 here? DRF, NSJR, Superdax, Rona, and Sir Dandy. Congratulations. You're the top 5 winner here. We go to the second question. Which of the following is not a factor to be considered in policy planning and review? Which one? Not a part. People dapat ang nagsagot. There are only 24 as 3 seconds. Okay. In a policy planning and review, it's not only the school head's preference, but all the stakeholders should be the one to participate in the planning. Rona, Ma'am Rona, first 27, DRF's 27 din, Ma'am Jean 26, and SJR 26, and Ma'am Beb's 26. Ma'am Jen is the highest climber. Next, question 3. Which of the following is not a factor to be considered in the planning, in the policy planning and review? Na ulit? Okay. Same person. DRF now on the first place. Next, what should be the basis of policy formulation? Basis in a policy formulation: evidence-based, best practice, perception, or popularity. Yes, it should be data-based or research-based or evidence-based research. Our top scorer still maintained DRF first place, Ma'am Rona on the seconds, Sir Nestor on the third, Ma'am Bebs, and Sir Dandy. Ma'am Maribik, you are having 4 straight correct answer. Pero yung kamay mo, Ma'am Maribik, dapat mabilis. Okay, question 5. What should be the primary or the first objective of the school head in policy implementation? Policies and regulations. Well, okay. See the answer now. The color is blue. Yes, 26 of you got the correct answer. Only 1 left on this part. Who's the top scorer? DRF now on the first, and SJR Hunter second, Rona on the third, Ma'am Bebs on the fourth, and Super Dax on number 5. Question 6. The school's mission statement is expected to change frequently to adapt the short-term trends in education. Is it true or false? Of course, it should be false, no? The school mission should be in a long-term goal, okay? Aside from the vision, it should be communicated and it will not change so that you'll know after 10 years siguro, no? Because the curriculum tends to be reviewed every 10 years, okay? False is the answer. DRF still maintaining on the slot. NSGR, BEV, Super Dax. Ma'am Pia, you are now part of the top 5 scoreboard highest scorers. Congratulations. Now we go on with the next question. In Strat Plan, it focuses on budgeting and infrastructure, then on teaching and learning outcomes. Is it true or false? Which one should be prioritized? Focus on budgeting first, followed by teaching learning. Nasira yung music natin. Mahina ata akong signal. Correct. The answer is false. Mauuna dapat ang teaching and learning followed by the budgeting and of course on infrastructure because we are learner-centered. May nahulog ba? DRF still maintaining in the first place. Pia, second. Ma'am Maribik, third. Ma'am Beth, welcome. And Ma'am Rona, congratulations. Next, question 8. An institution's vision, providing a long-term picture of what is aspires to become in the future. True or false? Vision. Definitely, it's true. Okay, long term is vision. DRF, wow, has 8 straight correct answer. Congratulations po. DRF, Pia second, Maribik, Beth, and Rona still maintaining on the line. Question 9. A school that expects 1,260, if the one teacher is assigned for 35, what's the ratio? 1 to 60 divided by 35. How many teachers needed in that school? It's 36. 11 of you got a correct answer. 36 students are needed. 36 teachers are needed for a ratio of 35. Maribik now on the first, followed by DRF on second, and SGR third, Pia and Ma'am Beth. Ma'am Rosana, you are recognized as 3 straight correct answer. Next, question 10. Which of the following best describes the planning cycle in education? Is it one-time activity, a method of assigning grades, continuous process, or budgeting process? Of course, it's a continuous process of setting goals and evaluating results. Ma'am Maribik maintaining on the first place, DRF now on second, and SJR on third. Ma'am Pia, Super Dax is back in the game. Sir Marlon is making a comeback with 3 straight correct answer. Next, which stage of the educational planning involves the checking of goals for achieve and identifying areas for improvement? Is it implementation, evaluation, target setting, or planning? Checking of goals. What is the goal? It's evaluation. The checking of goals, whether it's achieved or not, is evaluation. Okay, 17. Ma'am Maribik first, DRF second, Ma'am Beth now on the third, Super Dax on fourth, and Ma'am Bebs on the fifth. Question 12. Which stage in the planning cycle puts together the plan, strategies, and actions into practice? Into practice. Okay, majority of got the correct answer. It's implementation. DRF now, 14. Ma'am Maribik is also 14. Ma'am Bet is 13. Superdax 13. Bevs is 13. Question number 13. What is the purpose of SIP? First, it's to outline the long-term goals and strategic direction of school development. DRF 15, Maribik 15, Superdax 14, Bebs 14, Bet 14. Walang gustong maiiwan sa top 5 scoreboard. SIP should be revised only after 3 full year implementation. Okay, it's false. SIP is revised yearly, no? Yearly. Superdax now on the first, DRF on second, Maribik on the third, Pia on the fourth, and Ma'am Bevs on the fifth. Ma'am Laika, you are the highest climber. Next, 15 over 16. Once approved, the SIP must be implemented strictly as written during the period. Is it strictly as written? Okay, the word here is strictly as written is not a good answer. It can be revised and revisited, no? Maribik on the first. Laika, Ma'am Laika, you are now in. Ma'am Merily, you are in. Superdax and DRF. Sir Harold, you are the highest climber. Last question, which stage of the educational planning cycle involves the checking of goals for achieve and areas of it's evaluation. We evaluate when we check the goals, whether it's being achieved and what area for improvement or continuous improvement should be done. Okay, now we end our priming activity and congratulations to our top 5 scorers. On the third place, we have Ma'am Laika. Congratulations with 17 ERN, and our champion for tonight is congratulations. Fourth and fifth, we have Superdax and Ma'am Bevs. Okay, and on your screen, you'll know your score as well. Once again, congratulations.